Hey everyone, my name is Olamide, and if I were starting my data career again in 2026, I'll begin with one thing: clarity. Not tools, not courses, not job titles, clarity. I worked in data for years, from analysis and strategy to teaching others and developing learning programs. But here's what I've learned the hard way: starting without clarity slows everything down. Today, there's more content than ever before. There are more tools, more free resources, more boot camps, so much out there. But there's also more confusion because too many people are rushing into skill building before they understand themselves. If I were starting again, the very first thing I would do is ask myself, what do I want in a data career? What draws me to this space? Is it the hype or is it the alignment? A lot of people enter data because it feels like the smart move, right? They see success stories, they see the salary charts or AI trends, and then they think, let me try this too. But when your only compass is the market, you are likely to get lost in it. So here's what I'll do differently. Number one, I would first understand myself. What are my natural strengths? Am I wired for structure or creativity? Do I enjoy problem solving or storytelling? Do I feel energized working solo or translating ideas to teams? Clarity here helps avoid the pain of chasing roles that don't fit. It narrows your search before you waste time. Number two, I would seek guidance, not just the content. There's a huge difference between watching tutorials and getting actual direction. I would look for people who have walked the path even from a distance. I'd study their journeys. I'll read their reflections, or better yet, I would reach out to them. You don't need a full-time mentor, but you do need, guess what? Perspective. Number three, I will build strategy, not panic. Once I understand who I am and where I want to go, then I can start building skills. But this time, intentionally. One tool, one domain, one direction. Today, I see data as more than a job. It's a space where people solve real problems, influence decisions, and grow into leaders. But that only happens when the journey begins with that same word, clarity. So if you're starting in 2026 in your data journey, pause for a second. Ask yourself, what kind of work actually aligns with who I am becoming? That one question can save you months, maybe years of wondering. Thank you so much for listening, and do have a good day. Bye-bye.